Hey guys, Paul here with iCracked. We're getting ready to reveal the results of our Valentine's Day giveaway, which will reward our winner with a brand new iPod Touch and bottle of sexual chocolate wine. And our Vanna White here, Leslie Lambert, is getting ready to reveal the results.
Hold on, iCracked HQ is sending it right as we speak.
Here we go.
Alright, and the winner is Mark Bowman. Congratulations, Mark. You win an iPod and a bottle of wine.
Please, Mark, find us on Facebook, like the upload of our video, and we will make sure to get in contact with you.